Welcome to MarineMax Orlando. My name is Dale Hancock. Today we're going to take a look at the all-new Boston Whaler 2021 17 Montauk. A couple things right off the bat. You'll notice that this boat comes with a nice swing away tongue right here. So you can pull this pin out, swing that tongue that way. And this boat will fit in a standard garage. Standard garage being 22 foot with a 7-foot door. This boat will fit inside there. A couple options that we added to this boat. One is the spare tire and wheel right here. This boat also has a split bow rail. You can get it with or without, or with a full bow rail. Also, we have the front cushion right here for this boat. Underneath the front cushion here is also a nice fish box right here that opens up. So anything in a Boston Whaler that is subfloor is considered a cooler because this is a pressurized foam-filled boat. And it is one of the truly only unsinkable boats on the market, so you can't sink this boat. This boat also is equipped with the cushion seat right here with the backrest with the rod holders. And then as you move back here, this boat does have pretty much all your electronics on it, but there is storage underneath here with your battery switch right inside there. This boat was ordered with electronics, so it's got Raymarine electronics. It's got a Raymarine VHF radio antenna, stainless steel wheel. Up top where the cover is for the console is USB ports and 12-volt power, and there's also a compass up there. Seat here in the back is a Livewell, and this is a flip-flop seat right here, so you can move this seat forward or backward, and there's your Livewell. It does have a light in it. And then also this boat was ordered with the optional ski tow bar right here in the back here, and the seats in the back, also with a stereo system with the speakers in the back and in the front up there. And this boat is equipped with a 115 horsepower Mercury motor. You can get it with a 90 or a 115. Either or. And you'll see it has a nice big swim platform with the ladder that opens up kind of to the outside like this instead of straight back. So what they're doing is moving you away from the motor and the propeller, so when you're climbing in and out of the boat, you're climbing in from this direction. Also on the backrest right here, you can pull these out, and these are now rod holders, and there's two on each side. So you can fold one this way and one this way, and you can stow these away up there underneath that dash. So it's a really nice feature. So that's a look at the 17 Montauk 2021. My name is Dale Hancock. If you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call. 407-949-8367.